So we do management training in a number of different areas. So the first one I want to talk about is when we are working with our clients in their stores. All right. Now, our consultants are sitting shoulder to shoulder with your managers and showing them the new disciplines required to run their now high-performing operation. All right. Now, how you manage that requires that there's a change in discipline. Now, if you look at a lot of the sales departments, have a lot of different measurements of performance. We're going to bring that also to the store. We're going to measure the performance in a number of different areas, both in the sales side, in the production side, in the quality control side. You know, quality control is something a lot of people don't even look at, but we're going to shoot ourselves in the foot if we don't fix the car right the first time. So we want to work with the store to help them improve their fixed right first time and make sure that the quality repair is performed. All right, we're going to work with the manager on how to manage the sales side by being visual with the advisors, by holding meetings and having little short huddle ups that we have with the sales staff or the advisory staff for 5 minutes to talk about performance. Not only do we talk about the defeats or the underperforming areas, but we also talk about our successes. Attaboys is a great motivator or helps in creating the motivation within the department to achieve higher levels of performance. So we're going to work with your managers in those areas as well. We're going to work with your managers on how to market their business, how to merchandise their business, but most importantly, how to brand their business. Working with that brand, what I find in my travels is there's a whole lot of service departments out there that do not even think about managing the heads of their customers. And I ask managers all the time, I said, what do you want your customers to think of you? And they look at me like I got 3 heads. Well, branding is all about the image that you want your clients, your customers to think of you. All right, we want to help our clients and train your managers on how to be the first in the customer's mind when it comes to auto service. Now, we can't go out and demand that. We have to earn that through performance, and that's where we excel. The other side of it is we do a lot of workshops, and we can train managers in mass. A lot of the large holding companies, I'll go and do a management training class on just how to manage the business and how to help them improve the new disciplines required to run their businesses efficiently and effectively.